Southeastern Coalfields Limited has achieved a significant operational milestone by surpassing last year's overburden removal figure of 354.6 million cubic meters on March 22, 2026, 9 days ahead of the close of the financial year 2025-26. National Aluminium Company Limited is accelerating expansion activities at its mines and refinery complex in Koraput, Odisha, with work progressing at a steady pace. During a recent site visit, BP Singh, CMD of NALCO, conducted a comprehensive field inspection to review the status of ongoing projects and ensure alignment with operational goals. Oil and Natural Gas Corporation has signed an advance pricing agreement with the Central Board of Direct Taxes, providing long-term tax certainty on a corporate guarantee extended to its overseas arm. The agreement pertains to financial arrangements involving ONGC Videsh Vankorneft Private Limited, a Singapore-based subsidiary of ONGC. The Ministry of Railways has announced the deputation of Indian Railway Traffic Service (IRTS) officer Anand S. Logde to the Mumbai Railway Vikas Corporation Limited (MRVC) Mumbai. The decision is part of efforts to strengthen leadership for key suburban railway infrastructure projects in the city. NTPC Limited has invited online bids for conducting an Environmental Impact Assessment (EIA) study for the expansion of the Tanda Super Thermal Power Project, Stage 3. The project involves adding 2 times 800 megawatts capacity, significantly increasing the plant's overall generation capacity. As temperatures rise and electricity demand surges, the Government of India has directed Tata Power to operate its massive 4-gigawatt coal-fired power plant in Gujarat at full capacity throughout the summer season. The move is part of an urgent strategy to ensure uninterrupted power supply across the country during peak consumption months. NBCC India Limited has announced the receipt of a new work order valued at approximately 58.61 crore rupees, reinforcing its steady project pipeline in the infrastructure development segment. The contract has been awarded by Maharaja Shri Ram Chandra Bhanja Deo University, located in Baripada, Mayurbhanj district of Odisha. US President Donald Trump has announced a 5-day postponement of threatened military strikes on Iranian power plants, citing very good and productive conversations with Iran over the weekend aimed at a complete and total resolution of our hostilities in the Middle East. India Semiconductor Market, India Chip Industry Growth, India Semiconductor Mission, Semiconductor India 2035. The country is rapidly positioning itself as a global semiconductor manufacturing hub, with the domestic chip market projected to grow exponentially to $300 billion by 2035, driven by strong policy support and rising domestic demand. Ongoing Iran conflict and Hormuz restrictions push oil to $110 plus, hurting Indian OMCs like IOCL, BPCL, HPCL margins and stocks. Upstream PSUs ONGC, Oil India benefit. LPG shortages ease slightly with Indian tankers transiting. Latest PSU effects post Trump's 5-day strike delay.